Just got done doing some drone footage. This guy right here, drone, sunset. Beautiful. What's up? I'm driving. So what am I doing right now? I'm driving to San Diego. Why the heck am I going to San Diego during all this chaos? Well, I am driving all this way for one particular tour, but I think I'm gonna get 2 tours in. I am doing a tour of my boy Brandon's. You may know him as Buck SD on the Instagram. But I'm driving all that way just to do a tour of this guy's ridiculous rig. Staying in Central Oregon. I haven't committed to a place yet, although I'm still trying to figure out a shop situation. Right now, I've just been using my buddy's shop. During this time period of figuring out, you know, where I'm gonna be getting my new shop, I guess. Look at this, hold on really quick, look. That right there, everybody, is Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta is one of the 14,000 foot elevation mountains in the state of California. I believe there's 2, Whitney and Shasta, I think. Stayed in Calamith Falls, am I saying that correctly? Calamith Falls, Oregon yesterday. It's right on the Oregon-California border. Wow, that was my accent. Holy crap. I am now driving, I'm gonna do a straight shot, everybody, into San Diego. It's in the 30s right now, in the low 30s where I am in NorCal, Oregon area. Once I get down to more Central California, they still call it NorCal. And once I get down there, like the San Francisco, Sacramento, that region, it starts to get warmer. Brandon's tour is going to come out before this video, so if you haven't watched it, make sure you go watch it because you are missing out. And I haven't even toured the damn thing, and I still know that you guys are missing out. I'm doing 70, it's 65 mile an hour speed limit. I got people that are riding me. Ugh. When I got in last night, I got in around like 11 p.m. and I was just exhausted. I'm in San Clemente right now. I decided to get myself a hotel room, a little Holiday Inn action. Not sponsored by them. This is my view of where I'm at. It's the morning. I'm about to check out. Like checkout is in like 2 minutes. And nice, not a bad room to be honest with you. I'm about to leave and I'm actually headed down to Buck SD's house. A sneak peek of it here, but if you haven't watched it, his tour has already come out. It came out on Thursday. If you haven't watched it, I'll put a link up in the card right now to go and watch that video because that thing is going to be ridiculous. I also got a comment on my last video. I mentioned something about a tour that I did, that it was a 1981 Toyota Dolphin, and I said that that's older than me. Guys, I was born in 1983. That makes me 37. Somebody commented, said that they thought that I was in my mid-40s. Do I look like I'm in my mid-40s, really? It had 5 likes on that comment. I'm like, holy crap, do I really look that old? I need to lose some weight and I need to like get back in better shape because when I'm in better shape, I look a lot younger. So I gotta do that. I won't hurt, guys. All right, see you in a bit. My boy Brandon, Buck SD, you guys may remember him. I don't know, maybe you do, maybe you don't. You just showed me this thing. We're gonna show this all in the video, guys, so you guys are probably seeing this second, but hey buddy, what's up? So Brandon brought up a good point that we wanted to show how close he actually is to the beach. We got the sun setting right now. I'm gonna flip the camera around and you guys will be able to see we are 2 blocks from the beach. That's his other rig, by the way, guys.
That's the other one we made.
And then that's the other one he built back there for his neighbor. But
there's usually on average about 8 vans on this street, on this one block.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the parking situation in San Diego?
Here it's non-metered, which is great. There's no residential only. It's basically, you get 6 days. It's technically 72 hours, which is 3 days, at which point they give you a notice that you now have another 3 days to move your rig. So
yeah, but is there, in the city of San Diego, is there allowed parking on like vehicle habitation is what they call it?
No.
No vehicle habitation.
Vehicle habitation is not allowed. It was allowed for like 2 months last summer. They took down an old law because it was like poorly worded apparently.
The reason I bring that up is because how do you, with your vans and your designs, how do you go around that loophole?
One big perk is having commercial plates. So
okay.
There's no argument over it being a recreational vehicle. But I think the biggest thing is I've got this front partition here.
Boom.
And there's no windows or anything like RV on the outside. There's no like heat exhausts.
So this is the stealthiest of stealthiest.
Or something like that.
And there's the beach, guys.
It's a little stealthier than that rig.
Little stealthier than the literally camper on the back of a pickup truck. Surfers, man. I love it. I gotta love it. All right, we're gonna get some B-roll. This is, holy crap, man. We're on the beach. Just got done doing some drone footage. This guy right here, drone, sunset. Beautiful. 360 degrees of security cameras are on this entire thing. And he's got a screen right here that shows all live. And I believe you even said it downloads into like a cloud.
Didn't say that. I said it stores it.
Stores it.
But you could do that.
My bad. I'm just making stuff up now because I like a kid in a candy shop. And I'm excited, man. I like it a lot. All right, it's now Tuesday. Stayed at another hotel last night. My Jeep is just right down there. See that? I did not mean to book this. I'm in a suite. Late last night after I left Brandon, I called around to a bunch of different hotels because I'm actually on my way over to Illuminous. I've done a video with them in the past. I'm going to see my buddy Matt. He's like the aerospace engineer guy, and we're gonna do a follow-up van tour with him today. And then later on, I'm gonna do the finishing touches to Brandon's video. So I've got a real busy day today. And then I actually am probably gonna leave San Diego tonight. With everything going on, I just wanted to kind of be as safe as possible, but at the same time, I can only spend so much time in Southern California. Check out this friggin' hotel. That is the door that I walked in, and I did not mean to book this. Again, it was in my price range of where I was okay spending. I actually am probably gonna be now a member of the Hilton Garden Inn or the Hilton Club because this is like the second Hilton I've stayed in a matter of a couple months. Their customer service is ridiculously good. Just their rooms are actually like really, I actually like them a lot. And their checkouts at noon, which is super better than everybody else at 11. I had like my kitchen dining area, and then I had like my living room space area. I was watching Monday Night Football last night because it's Tuesday, like I said. And then this is my bedroom. I'm like, this thing is massively big. There I am. I was living the good life. I checked into the hotel at like 7, 8 o'clock last night. And I was exhausted. And I finished watching Monday Night Football. And I even put my laptop down on the table over there. Didn't even get to any emails that I wanted to. So if you guys are waiting on emails, I apologize. I am on vacation mode. All right, guys, I told you I'd be doing another video. More YouTubing, more travel, more tours. If you guys haven't watched, well, actually, this video is gonna come out before this tour. So I'm gonna pop inside real quick and I'll give you a sneak peek of what's going on with it. I don't know if you guys remember this video from before, but he's done a whole heck of a lot. Oh my goodness gracious. Done a lot more with the bed system. All 80/20 aluminum, which he's gonna help me with a little bit. I'm not gonna do the full tour right now. The tour is gonna be up on the tubes, up on my channel soon enough, so check that out. Busy day, busy day. I thought I'd end the vlog kind of where it started. Recording this at like 1:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday. I got to San Diego on like Monday. Left San Diego late last night, like 7 o'clock on a Tuesday. I slept in the Jeep, which was extremely uncomfortable. I slept right in the back seat back there, and it was very uncomfortable. It's snowing where I am right now. Like, it's crazy. I was just in sunny 70 degrees. Awesome. It was a good time though. I got to tour with Brandon and Matt. I'm like crashing with a friend right now. I needed to just get away for a little bit. I am actually rushing back because I'm going to look at a place, like a work-live situation. I guess I wanted to like kind of say now at this point of the vlog where this is something I want to do. I want to start traveling a lot more, but my hopes is things start to go back to normalcy where we can go to events and expos and adventure travel expos and festivals, tiny house festivals. What I love to do is go to those, number one, but I like interacting with people, and I would love to spend a lot of 2021 going to those gatherings and events and festivals in this built out Jeep with the thing I'm gonna build in the back. So this trip was kind of like the beginning of that, like what it's gonna be like. Granted, I put myself up in a couple of hotels because I had to, because sleeping in the Jeep right now is just extremely uncomfortable. Oh, I did get word on my tent. Tent is coming in the first week of December. So excited for that thing to come in. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna camp in it. This is gonna be my adventure rig. I gotta settle back down. I gotta get some rest. I slept about 2 hours last night. I'm a little tired. Hopefully the next vlog that I do that'll be more hands-on will be about building out the back. I got a lot of stuff coming up, guys. So if you guys haven't already, please go subscribe to the channel. You know, go to the website if you want a consultation. My merch is coming out soon. Be handing out t-shirts probably at these events next year. That's about it. Okay, later.